Here I go! Snack gods, I'm coming! Nothing can stop me now. The human treasure chest, filled with food? I must have it.
Oh no, again? I should start charging for watching this.
Is she talking to the vending machine?
I don't know, but I'm recording.
Open sesame! By Poseidon's beard, I command thee.
That's not how it...
You dare deny me, metal box? Alright, you want to do this the hard way?
Boys, we got a live one.
Target acquired.
Girl, just buy another snack.
No, this is war. What is this abomination?
Oh, yeah. That thing expired in 2018.